morning children. A warm welcome to your maths class. In previous class, I completed 6th chapter. Before going to start 7th chapter, I will ask some questions. Will you give the answer? What is this called? Dot or point. Right? Next one. What is this called? Line. This is a line. If two dots are there, now I am joining these dots. What is this called? Line segment. Line segment. Okay? And this is a straight line. Then what is this line? Curved line. This is a straight line. And like this. These are called curved lines. Okay, children? Now, so I am going to start about geometry. What is geometry means? Metry means measuring lines. Metry means measurements. Geo means here. Okay? Geometry means measuring some figures, some pictures. Okay? Look at this, student. What is this line? And what is this line? And what is this? And another one is, what is this? First I will tell you about this. This is called, this is a straight line, right? This is also a straight line, but this is vertical line. This is called standing line. Standing line. This one is called horizontal line. This is also called sleeping line. And this side or this side, like these lines are called slanting lines. These are called slanting lines. Okay? Standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. This is slanting line and this is slanting line. Okay? Now, see. Now identify these shapes. What is this shape? Right, rectangle. Here, how many straight lines? This is one straight line and this is one straight line and this is one straight line and this is one straight line. Right? So these straight lines, each straight line we will call as side. Okay? And two straight lines meet at a point. This is called corner. This is called corner. Okay? And each line is called side. So how many sides see? This is one side and this is one side and this is one side and this is one side. So total how many sides for this rectangle? 4 sides. And how many corners? See, two lines meet at a point is called corner. This is one corner and this is one corner, and this is one corner, and this is one corner. So how many corners? 4 corners. Okay, 4 sides and 4 corners. This is called 4 points also. Okay, this is about rectangle. Next figure. What is this picture? Square. What is the, how many sides, how many straight lines? The straight lines are called sides, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. How many corners? 2 sides meet at a point is called corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. Clear? 4 sides and 4 corners. Same like as rectangle. Then what is the difference between a square and rectangle? Here, this is called length. These two are same length, and this is called somewhat less than this length. This is called breadth. These two are same length, and same way these two are same length. So opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Opposite sides. This is opposite to this. So these two sides are equal. Same way this is opposite to this. So these two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then that figure is called rectangle. Here all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. That figure is called square. Here also 4 sides, here also 4 sides. Here 4 corners, here also 4 corners. Then what is the difference? Here in rectangle opposite sides are equal. But in a square all the sides are equal. This is the difference between these two pictures. Okay. Now I am going to explain what is this shape called? What is this shape? Triangle, right? So in triangle, how many corners are there? How many sides first? Here to here one side, and here to here one side, and here to here one side. This is the picture of triangle. It has 3 sides, and how many corners see here? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Okay? 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a triangle. Now I am going to explain this picture. What is this? Circle. What is this? Circle. Here how many sides? See, it is starting from here and coming like this. So this is called curved side. This is called curved side. How many curved sides? Only one. One curved side. And how many corners? There is no corners. Okay children? This is about circle. And next one. What is this shape? Oval. What is this shape? Oval. What is this side? This is also called as curved side. Curved side. Here also no corners. Here also no corners. This is the shape of the pictures. Okay? See here, see this picture. A, B, C, D. What is this shape called? Rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. This all you complete in your textbook, page number 111. Okay. So, see, it has dash sides. How many sides? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 sides. What are those 4 sides? AB, BC, CD, DA or AD. Anyone. Okay. Now, it has dash corners. See how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. What are those? A, B, C, D. Okay. This is about rectangle. See, opposite sides are equal. That means BC is equal to AD. Same way, AB is equal to DC. Okay, children? So, see, side AB is equal to CD. That I wrote. CD or DC, both are same. Side BC is equal to AD. Okay? Now, look at the rectangle. Here, see, this is opposite to this. This point, this corner is opposite to this corner. So, these two, they are joined. B point is joined to D. Same way, A and C are joined. These are called diagonals. BD and AC are the diagonals. What are those? Diagonals. A rectangle has how many diagonals? See here. 1, 2. So, 2 diagonals. Okay. This is about rectangle. In rectangle, 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Opposite sides are equal. This is about rectangle. Now I am going to explain about square. See this picture. E, F, G, H. What is this picture? Square. Right? This is a square. It has how many sides? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. What are those? EF, FG, GH, EH. These are the 4 sides. It has how many corners? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. What are those? E, F, G, H. Okay. Here all its sides are equal. Equal in length. Equal in length. That means EF is equal to FG is equal to GH is equal to EH. These sides are all are equal. Okay, it has how many? Same way. Opposite corners you should do. You should join them. Then what it will form? This is one diagonal and this is one diagonal. FH is one diagonal and EG is another diagonal. So how many diagonals in a square? It is also having 2 diagonals. Okay, but a rectangle is not a square, but a square is a rectangle. Okay. Now see this picture. X, Y, Z. What is this picture? What is the shape? Triangle. Triangle. It has how many sides? See? XY, YZ and XZ. So how many sides? 3 sides. How many corners? X is one corner, Y is one corner and Z is one corner. So how many corners? 3 corners. What are those? X, Y and Z. Okay. Now I am going to the next picture. What is this picture? What is this shape? This is circle. It has how many curved sides? 1 curved side. I told you, I already explained to you. It has how many corners? There is no corners. Okay. What is this shape? This is oval shape. It has how many curved sides? This also I explained. 1 curved side. And it has no corners. No corners. Okay, children. The circle and oval are not have corners, so they do not have diagonals. Because opposite corners we are joining, we will get diagonal. Here no corners, so how will you draw the diagonal? So there is no corners. Now recall exercise. You write in your textbook. I will send the answers in the afternoon. Thank you. Have a nice day.